How to configure the buttons for your website or funnel. In this video, we'll explain how to configure the buttons for your website or funnel pages. Utilizing this feature will allow you to determine the action or actions that occur when someone clicks on a button on your page. This can be fully customized. If you only need instructions for configuring your navigation menu, you can skip ahead to Step 3. Step 1. Getting started with your button configuration. Navigate to the website or funnel page that you'd like to edit and add a button to. Add a button or select a button that you've already created. Now you can go ahead and configure or customize the settings. Once the button is selected and the box is highlighted around that element, navigate to the left side of the screen for your button menu. Step 2. Choosing your button actions. From the Link To list, you can choose any of the following options: Open Pop-up, Website URL, Hide Elements, Scroll to Element, Go to Page, One-Click Up or Down Sell Product, Call, SMS, Email Address, Membership. Once you've chosen your option for the button action from the dropdown, you'll need to fill out the remainder of the information needed for that particular action. One common example is that if you choose the website URL, you'll then need to enter the specific URL and toggle on or off the Open and New tab feature. When toggled on, the Open and New tab feature will be enabled, and that website link for that new URL will open in a new tab. If you choose Scroll to Element, for example, you'll need to then select the element that you want the page to scroll to. Keep in mind that if you choose the website URL option, you can always choose a link from a hosted file within your media library. That's all for now, and it's as easy as that. You now know how to configure the buttons for your website or funnel page. You can completely customize this however you need in order to use your buttons on your website and funnel pages in the best way for your business.